Hello. So we've got bowler hats on. I'm just like an arctic fifth is why.
Haha.
Yes.
I'm just gonna sit and drink my tea.
Shop.
With my multicoloured nails.
Shop.
Purple, red and blue.
Mine are, I don't know, pink tips. I guess.
Yeah. Pink tips and peachy colours.
Nudie. You don't know because it's on Instagram. But then she don't have Instagram anymore. Depressing.
I do have Instagram.
No, she's
my
not
phone.
She's not a true hipster. We have to debowl her, guys. We have to debowl her. She can't be a true hipster without hipster things. Oh,
I don't want to be a hipster.
Sound like someone snapped then. So today, me and Becca have a really busy day. We woke up. That's it.
We woke up, had food,
Had more food.
went back to bed,
Had some tea.
had some tea.
Several cups of tea.
Oh.
Don't spit it.
Oh.
Just show them.
We had tea.
Tea. We ate some more.
Ate some more, and then
Ate some more.
Jade sat and watched her catch up of Hollyoaks.
Oh, Hollyoaks, man, guys. You guys who watch Hollyoaks, man.
No.
That Will, he's standing some shit, man. He's standing some shit in that Chester. Whoop his ass. He's standing some business. I did live stream, so it's legal.
Yep, we get fined in halls for live streaming.
I undemanded it.
Never live stream, you get banned.
I live stream.
Oh, God, my hair.
I didn't live stream here, though, because I would get Becca in trouble.
Yes.
And that's not very fair.
Because I have to live with her.
Run, Forrest, run. Life was like a box of chocolates.
What sort of chocolates, Forrest?
He doesn't ask that in the film.
Exactly.
Oh. Well, there's caramel.
Caramel.
There's truffle.
Truffle.
Yeah.
There's truffle.
There's fudge. There's blueberry. And then there's just plain damn chocolates, like all the rest of them.
Yeah.
But anyway, so that's forest. But we don't have a forest, I'm afraid. In Northampton, we don't have a forest that I know of. Apart from that bit down there. So it. Speechless. I'm wearing a Rolling Stones t-shirt. Look, it's licking you. It does look good, look.
Okay. I'm changing my identity to geek.
Oh, where's Becky gone? Oh!
Sorry, I don't know.
Oh, who are you?
Why do I put up with you?
I don't know, that's why life puts up with me.
No, but today we had a fire alarm. Ding, 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 ding.
Whoa. Pulsate vagina. Whoa. They won't be able to hear me, it's fine. Yeah, it went off. Well, I just want to discuss first why they go off every Friday morning at 10:30 and wake me up from my beauty sleep and then shit me up and give me a heart attack. That's one thing I want to know. Second of all, it went off again. Why, Becca? Why did it go off again?
Because there was a fire in Twatnam.
In Twatnam.
Sorry. In flat 25.
What?
Flat, not twat.
2-5.
And why did the fire happen?
Because some clever student thought it was a good idea to put beans on a grill and try and cook them.
True. Caused an ambulance and 2 fire engines.
DOS fire engines.
DOS fire engines to come down the ramp to the back of the building.
Yep. And then Becca got rejected by a security guard for a long loins.
Yeah, because I wanted to know what happened, and he blanked me. Just continue to walking.
Just ignore, just like, oh.
I was stood here and he continued to walking.
Oh, no. Just gave her the cold shoulder and brushed it onto me.
Yep.
So, yeah, that happened. But we didn't get very far. We just went outside, checked what it was, and then ran back in. Because
it was cold.
It was cold. And no much else had been done.
And the guys had pizza on the way.
And the guys had pizza. So that was that, really. Oh. Yeah.
Weird.
And then, so, yeah, that was that.
Mhm.
And then, what else? Not much else happened, really. Whoa.
Um.
I've got to go Asda because I need to buy more juice. Because the juice I was drinking yesterday, I drank all. So I need more juice. So I need some more mango. By the way, it's mango and passion fruit, not orange and passion fruit.
Yeah. Last video, orange and passion fruit. Big mistake.
So I need to get some more juice and go shopping. And I really want Ben & Jerry's ice cream. And I really want alcohol. This is another thing. Does anyone else have an alcohol problem? Alcohol problem.
She's an alcoholic. Big alcoholic.
I'm not. It's like you've never found me rocking in the corner before.
The first stage of denial. Secretly laced with vodka.
Vodka and tea always tastes good. It doesn't though.
No.
It tastes like shit. You had vodka and tea.
See? Example A. Too much sugar?
Yeah.
Half a bag of sugar into her tea.
Just a little bit.
Yeah, so...
Just so you can hear me drinking. For all you guys who don't know how to swallow out there. Becca knows.
Reference to my tattoo.
Thanks, Charlie.
No.
We don't see the sarcastic thumb anymore. We need to bring back the sarcastic thumb. It's like, oh, Becca, your hair looks really good today. Sarcastic thumb.
Facepalm.
Do you want to see how big my muscles are? You ready for this, guy?
Ow! Nails.
Are you ready for this change? This is my muscle.
Bye!